This is the last Ginter X for Aaron. Let's see if we save the best for last. Ginter X. I did email my distributor about reloads. This was one of them as well. Trying to get in some more reloads. I have a good amount of stuff out there, but baseball seems to be running dry. Big Mac. My only thing about magnetics, it's not safe to ship cards in it unless they're sleeved and then in the magnetic, because they rattle around and the edges hit the corners and stuff. A lot of them rattle, and if they have a shiny surface, that would scratch the surface. Aesthetically speaking, it looks great in a magnetic to store it, like at your house maybe, but shipping, it's not necessarily the best thing to ship cards in. It can actually damage them. You would think it would protect them. The best thing to ship cards in are card savers and or sleeves and top loaders and team bags. The cards don't rattle around in that. Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. I'm in a live feed video. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Probably be 5 minutes. Hello. I'll be right there. I'm on a live feed on a video. I'll be right there. Sorry for the wait. Big Mac. Alright, here we go, Aaron. Let's see what you get. I'll peel all the rookies. Javier. Tag Heuer. The watch. Bobby. You got the red yesterday, Aaron, of 5, and the silver 1 of 1 out of this. Can we beat both of those? And you got 5 and 10s on your autographs. There are a lot of short prints in this stuff, if you dig on short prints. But hey, oh, there's a rookie of Spencer Howard minis down there. I have to, Eric. I have to. Sanchez. Oh, there's your autograph. This one's numbered to 25. Dean Kramer, silver ink mini frame. First one stamped though. 1 of 25. Oh, you do want it? Well, yesterday you said you hated base. Now you want it? I'll just put it all together then. Yesterday you were the biggest hater of base. Now you're the biggest lover. That's cool. I'll ship it out, Aaron. That's no problem. I just thought you didn't like it. That's what you told me anyway. Andres Jimenez and base. And Alec Baum mini rookie. Last chunk. Luis Campusano. Oh, Joey Bart rookie as well. Joey Caprillion. Oh, that's cool, Aaron. That's a good person to give it to. Good thinking. Alec Baum. Sanchez. Maybe it'll get them turned on to the hobby. Matter of fact, give them the hits too, so then they can look them up and know they're worth something. 1 of 25. Thanks, Aaron. You give them.